good afternoon. Hope you all are doing good. And once again, I'm here sitting down where I always tell you my chilling area. After coming from my work, I just sit for 5-10 minutes, and sometime I talk with you, sometime I just sit quietly still, whatever mood I have according to that. So while sitting, I thought better I talk to you and make a video today. So today, while sitting, what was the thought in my mind that always keep yourself open to learning. And wherever you are feeling that I can put more efforts to make things right or correct, try to do that. Suppose now I'm teacher. Already I have mentioned in my videos. Yeah. So sometime I just see in the world I don't know everything, right? There are so many things where I don't know so many things. So that acceptance is very important, that you are not absolutely perfect and you know everything. That arrogance should not be there. You should be ready to accept it. Yeah, in the world so many things are there which I also don't know. When you accept it, then you leave the room for improvement. If you have arrogance, oh I'm तो so and so and I'm तो absolutely perfect, मुझे तो learn करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, जब तक हम ऐसा attitude mind में रखेंगे, we won't be able to learn, you know. So every day we have to now what I feel, my job is so responsible job. Like if I'm in teaching profession, then in my class I have 30 students. So it's a very big responsibility on my shoulder, that I should do justice with those 30 students with what I feel as a teacher. So what I want to convey in today's video, that always keep learning, and always keep your mind open for learning. And every day you just introspect yourself, that am I better than yesterday, or am I there only still stagnant? So that in introspection we have to do, and what I can do to improve myself, what can be done so I can be better. Now how I take it, whenever I'm free, I'm sitting free, I always think about my classes, like uh, as I told you earlier also, for me it doesn't matter who is looking at me or not. Uh, End of the day, when I look into the mirror, I should be satisfied, and God should be proud of me, that I have done the justice. Only I am responsible for these two things, nothing else. So when I sit alone, I always think, I always revisit my lesson, and I think that how it can be better, or how learning can be better, where child can be benefited. So I keep asking myself, and I keep talking with myself, so I can be better and better. So what message I wanted to give actually from this video, that keep yourself open for learning, and try to be better every day, till your limit. Sometimes we should go uh, outside our limit also. Like if suppose something we don't know, we can learn it, but you know that you have capacity to do better than this. Yeah. So just go into that thing, and try to learn how you can be better. It can be any field, it can be some other profession, it can be your family life or anything. I am not talking about only my profession. That I gave you one example that I think that way. But it can be everywhere. It can be with your kids, it can be with your spouse. One more maturity, you know what I have brought in myself. I don't assume the things. I don't judge anyone. I don't assume the things. I always keep myself open to listen to other person point of view or their perspective, how they are thinking. And if somebody says something, later I analyze that yeah, person was right, that uh, he or she said correctly. I should think over it. So you know, I have the habit of taking the things in a positive way and to apply it practically in my life and everywhere, in my house, in my profession. I try to apply. So how I can be better than yesterday. My motive is that how I can be better than yesterday, or how I can improvise. So this is what I want to say, that leave yourself open for everything, and try to learn the things or adapt the things. Yeah, I'm getting one call and I'm ending the video also. Okay, see you. Have a lovely day.